Flames keep burning, the smoke fills up roads.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked K Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, this beautiful unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this wonderful, voluminous thing on my head. This is one of the new units from the Freetress Illusion Lace Frontal collection. I'm wearing it in the style IL002 and the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and the ways that I styled it, just stay tuned for this video.
Ain't nobody fucking with my vibes. On the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I'm feeling like having a good time, but we can ride out. With my eyes so low and a dry mouth, and my ride so low, it applies now. Make a million no talk, we'll get high now. Fucking with me if you ain't, don't talk. One of the bitch you are, see, don't talk. One of the snitch you are, he be woke. Son of a bitch, I'm on, see me float. Fucking with this you want. Young homie, let it bang, y'all know. When I come in, you can thank my flow. Sucking on the fucking came on hoes. You think you're fucking with me, lame, I don't. I've been looking at you, thank y'all though. I've been flowing with the greats, I know. They call me colors in my gang, y'all know. I made the beat and I can sing my flow. Go roll it, homie, I'll get high. Don't go until you smoke, my guy. Take a toke and get focused on my lines. We be potent, I'm floating the fine line. Take a toke, but it's dope and it's piling. Wanna smoke with the goat with the projects. 100 spokes on the road, it's a problem. History in the progress, yeah. With my vibes, on the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I've been on a twisted voices inside in my head. It's clear that my choices when I look inside. The fear of the voices and all they in bed. Appear cavalier, but when they're in they bed. Embracing the darkness that weighs on like lead as they chasing the hardest can find it dead. Just to get by, just to get high, just to get fly. This is my time, don't block my shine. I've been on my grind, get money on the mind. Building in silence, this is my life. I've been holding my tongue in the void in the sky. Cause my mind is a riot, inside it the fire that's burning inside me like things I desire. What do I require? The things I inspire. Cause I sat in darkness for too long to squire. I'm all that's left in this life I inquire. Been singing through wires and pain in the brain. Born to conspire, how you entertain. Feeling the burn as the yearning remains. We're not the same, you're in a lane. I'm in my own cause I travel in vain. Nothing to lose, I'm consumed by my gains. Ain't no bluff and I choose to refuse fucking with my vibes. On the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I've been on a.
Okay you guys, so the cap construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This one does also come with an adjustable band. You do have 13x5 parting space, a pre-plucked frontal. It comes with baby hairs. I like that the baby hairs were shorter, so I didn't feel the need to cut them down with scissors, but they were a tiny bit thick, so I did hide them inside of the hairline. So let me just come up close and show you what that is looking like. And I feel like it's looking pretty good. I also like that the lace on this unit is darker than a lot of the other ones, so if you're dark skinned like myself, this is definitely going to be easier for you to get to melt into your skin tone. I did add some concealer as always to kind of sort of hide those knots, but other than that, I feel like it was pretty much good to go. Now this unit, when I did have it in the middle part, was a little bit humpy, so I did feel the need to add heat. So I feel like this is going to be one of those units, depending on what style you're going for, you may need to add heat to either get that side parting laid down the way that you want it, or the middle part laid down the way that you want it. it. It is high heat friendly, up to 400 degrees, so that shouldn't be an issue for you. So this is everything to the front. It says it's a natural density, but I feel like it's very full, and I really love that. It's super voluminous, and I am just living for these curls. The length is coming just below my boobs, and when I'm turned around, it comes like to my butt. So let me just give you a 360 of what this is looking like. So this unit does also have some long layers, and you can really tell when I have it in this half up, half down style, because it's sort of layered right there. The texture of it is a soft to medium Yaki, which I like a lot. I did experience some tangling, some shedding, but nothing too extreme. This is going to be small, medium, and big head friendly. I have a smaller head, and I adjusted the band as tight as it goes, and it's fitting my head amazingly. It feels like human, it feels like butter, and I am living for this. This definitely would be a beautiful one to pull out for Valentine's Day. It's not that texture that feels like it's gonna tangle and shut up on you like crazy, so that's definitely a plus in my book. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys are liking it as much as I am. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.